Good morning, 9th class. Now, in the previous session, we have done the map of chapter number 2. Now, in this session, we will do the map work of chapter number 3 that is related to our rivers and lakes. Now, open your map work. Question number 1. On the outline map of India, mark and label the following rivers, that is Ganga, Satluj, Damodar, Krishna, Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi and Brahmaputra. Open your physical map. You have, start filling. First is Satluj. आ जाइए ऊपर नॉर्थ की तरफ, नियर पंजाब हरियाणा बॉर्डर. Got it? Satluj. Just below the Nepal, mention the Ganga river. Now, come to the Bangladesh, Mizoram. It's Brahmaputra. It is coming from Tibet. What was the other name of Brahmaputra? Is Sanko. Right? It is Brahmaputra. Should I zoom it? It is visible. Fill in the different physical map. Don't fill in a one map. Otherwise, you will get confused. Use different physical maps. Now, the fourth one is Narmada, that is flowing in Gujarat. Just below the Narmada, we have a Tapi. Got it, everyone? Any doubt, any confusion? Clear? Now, then Krishna. तापी के भी जस्ट नीचे आइए, थोड़ा सा और नीचे. ये हमारा जो मालाबार कोस्ट आ जाएगा उसके थोड़ा सा ऊपर, और हमारे ये गोवा के नीचे. इट इज नियर टू पुणे. कृष्णा. filled or not? Yes, ma'am. Next to Mahanadi. It is nearby Andhra Pradesh site. Clear? Just below the Brahmaputra, we have a Damodar river. That these all are the main rivers of India. Now these rivers have so many tributaries also. So many tributaries. We can say uncountable. And each have the different name according to the different region. But the main, these are only 7. Got it? Clear? All of you filled? Now we will do the lakes. These are the rivers. We will do the lakes also. So class, now we will do the lakes. Some important lakes of India. First one is Vullar Lake. Vullar Lake, that is in Jammu and Kashmir. Come to the Bullar Lake. Then come to the Rajasthan for Sambhar Lake. Got it? Then Chilika Lake. Come to the Andhra Pradesh side near to Jagannath Puri and all. That is the Chilika Lake. Just below the Chilika Lake, we have a Kolaru Lake. Don't forget to make the different symbols. For river, take the different symbol, and for recognizing the lakes, use some different symbol. Got it? Then last is Pulikat Lake. Got it? सभी ने कर लिया प्रॉपर, क्योंकि ये एग्जाम में आने वाला है. Done. So class, our physical features is also over and the drainage system is also over. Paste these 2 or 3 maps in your copy. Okay. In the next session, we will do the civics step.